Well, it's been 7 months since a new suicide hotline number rolled out in Arkansas. The hope, of course, is to make it easier for Arkansans experiencing a mental health crisis to get help. Tonight, as THV 11's Frederick Price finds out, the Department of Health is seeing at least an 18% increase in people dialing the number.
When 988 launched in July, Jacob Smith with the Arkansas Department of Health says the 3 call centers across the state experienced a big spike in calls.
People asking what this number is. They're just now seeing this. What type of resources are available.
Of course, a trained crisis counselor answers the phone to try to assess the severity of someone's situation.
Have you thought about suicide in the last 2 months? Have you ever attempted, or do you have means in place to harm yourself?
And for months, he says calls declined, but ADH is seeing a gradual monthly increase in people needing help.
We've always averaged around 900 to 1,000 calls. Now we're starting to see close to 1,100 calls.
Isis Petway is a licensed therapist with UAMS. She believes the uptick is a result of more awareness and easier access to the hotline.
It helps to eliminate some of the barriers that, can be geographical, financial.
And because the 3-digit number is much simpler to remember, Petway says it's a game changer for Arkansans.
If I know that all I have to do is dial 988, kind of like 911, and I immediately can get someone, it's a whole lot easier to remember.
Smith doesn't expect the call load to decrease anytime soon. And aside from ADH employees who answer these calls, they also rely on volunteers.
There's definitely a big demand in needing people to answer the phone lines.
And the department is still looking for volunteers to take calls. We'll post information on how you can become a trained crisis counselor on our website, thv11.com. In Little Rock, Frederick Price, THV 11 News.
Frederick, thank you. 988 is the suicide prevention hotline. If you or someone you know is experiencing a mental health crisis, dial the number on your screen. A texting and chat feature is also in the works.